Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're breaking down our latest article, CPA Marketing in 2024, a step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. CPA, or Cost Per Action Marketing, is a powerful way to earn commissions by getting users to complete specific actions. Here's how to succeed in 2024. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific area to attract a targeted audience. Select a CPA network. Join reputable networks like MaxBounty or PeerFly. Find high-converting offers. Look for offers with strong payouts and conversion rates. Drive traffic. Use free methods like SEO, social media, and content marketing. Optimize campaigns. Continuously test and tweak your strategies for better results. Check out the full article on our website for detailed steps. That's a wrap on our step-by-step guide to CPA marketing in 2024. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.